The nation's premier luxury dealership is here for you.
Planet Lincoln, I-45 in Spring Woodlands.
Shop one of the world's most impressive Lincoln selections online at planetlincoln.com. During these unprecedented times, caring for you, our customer, is top priority, exceeding every expectation with online appraisal and purchase. Personal concierge delivery of your new Lincoln directly to you, anywhere on the planet. Valet pickup and return for all your maintenance and service needs. And the peace of mind that every vehicle is thoroughly detailed and sanitized.
Experience the luxury you deserve.
PlanetLincoln.com with exceptional offers from the flagship Lincoln Navigator and the stunning new Aviator, where luxury is limitless, to $409 a month on the award-winning Lincoln Nautilus or $389 on the distinctive new Corsair.
Planet Lincoln on 45 in Spring.
PlanetLincoln.com.
Exceeding every expectation with the luxury experience you deserve.
Our ultimate expression of design and personal service.
PlanetLincoln.com.